The Komodo dragon, scientifically known as Varanus komodoensis, is a large lizard species that belongs to the family Varanidae. These creatures are native to the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Motong, and Padar. They are known for their impressive size, reaching up to 10 feet in length and weighing up to 150 pounds. Komodo dragons are also renowned for their hunting skills, as they are apex predators that feed on a variety of prey, including birds, mammals, and reptiles. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Komodo dragon is their saliva. For a long time, it was believed that the saliva of the Komodo dragon was highly toxic and contained deadly bacteria that could kill prey within a matter of days. However, recent research has shown that this belief is only partially true. First, let's examine the composition of Komodo dragon saliva. According to a study published in the Journal of Proteome Research in 2009, Komodo dragon saliva contains a wide range of proteins, many of which are involved in digestion and antimicrobial defense. Some of the most abundant proteins in Komodo dragon saliva include lysozyme, which breaks down bacterial cell walls, and cathelicidins, which are antimicrobial peptides that can kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. However, the most famous component of Komodo dragon saliva is a group of venomous proteins known as Komodo dragon venom, KDV. In 2009, a team of researchers from the University of Melbourne and the University of Queensland identified a total of 48 different proteins in KDV, including several enzymes and toxic peptides. One of the most potent toxins in KDV is a protein called verakin, which has been shown to cause a drop in blood pressure and induce shock in prey animals. So, is the saliva of the Komodo dragon poisonous? The answer is not entirely clear-cut. While it is true that Komodo dragon saliva contains venomous proteins that can cause harm to prey animals, the venom is not necessarily the primary means by which the lizards kill their prey. Instead, it appears that Komodo dragons rely on a combination of factors, including their sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and bacteria-infested mouths, to bring down their prey. A study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in 2013 found that the bacteria in the mouths of Komodo dragons play a crucial role in their hunting strategy. The researchers discovered that Komodo dragons harbor a diverse array of bacteria in their mouths, including strains that produce deadly toxins. When the lizards bite prey, the bacteria in their mouths infect the wound, causing sepsis and eventually leading to the death of the prey animal. This bacterial infection is likely more important in killing prey than the venom itself. As for whether or not Komodo dragons carry any viruses, there is currently no evidence to suggest that they do. While viruses are certainly a possibility, there has been very little research conducted on the viral ecology of Komodo dragons. Most of the research on Komodo dragon saliva has focused on the bacterial and venomous components, rather than on viruses. In conclusion, the saliva of the Komodo dragon is a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes that play important roles in digestion and antimicrobial defense. While the venomous proteins in Komodo dragon venom can cause harm to prey animals, it appears that the bacteria in the lizard's mouths are more important in killing their prey. As for viruses, there is currently no evidence to suggest that Komodo dragons carry any. There have been several studies that have examined the biological characteristics of Komodo dragons, including their behavior, ecology, and genetics. One study published in Molecular Ecology in 2012 used DNA sequencing to investigate the genetic diversity and population structure of Komodo dragons across their range. The researchers found that Komodo dragons on different islands exhibited significant genetic differentiation, suggesting that the lizards have limited gene flow between populations. Another study published in PLOS One in 2017 investigated the foraging behavior of Komodo dragons in the wild. The researchers observed the lizards hunting deer and found that they used a combination of ambush tactics and active pursuit to catch their prey. Interestingly, the researchers also found that Komodo dragons appear to use scent cues to track their prey, suggesting that their sense of smell is an important tool in their hunting strategy. In terms of conservation, Komodo dragons are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, poaching, and persecution by humans. Several studies have highlighted the importance of conserving Komodo dragon populations in their habitats. One study published in Biological Conservation in 2020 used spatial modeling to identify areas of high conservation priority for Komodo dragons in Indonesia. The researchers found that several islands in the Komodo dragons range are in urgent need of conservation action to protect the lizards in their habitats. In summary, the Komodo dragon is a fascinating and complex lizard species with a range of biological characteristics that have been studied extensively. While their saliva does contain venomous proteins, it appears that the bacteria in their mouths play a more significant role in killing prey. Further research is needed to better understand the viral ecology of Komodo dragons, as well as their behavior, ecology, and genetics. Conservation efforts are also crucial for protecting these magnificent creatures in their habitats. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.